mentioned in my other video that sightseeing bus was my favorite. This is one of my second favorite. 1935 REO bus. I'll show you a few things I know about it. Huge restoration. On the side here, you can't see it, but it's labeled war bonds. So this was during, there's a little bit of red paint there. A shield, like a U.S. shield, but it's U.S. war bond bus advertising. This chassis is too short. This frame is called a fish plate. They extended the frame. I think it's like 32 inches, so the this fish plate has to come out. The chassis pulled together. It's got an extra long piece of drive shaft. That'll come out, and then it should be the correct chassis for this body. I'll take you up front. Flathead 6-cylinder. I bought and replaced a brand new head gasket. I had it hooked up. The distributor sat up on top full of water, rusted out. I took the points out of my 78 miles to it, and it was popping and almost running, but then I gave up, got sidetracked. Got the original radiator. I had hoses hooked up temporary. And you can see, you know, it needs to come forward here. Either this will be chopped off or this will be chopped off to get them to match. The transmission was stuck. The rain had come in and went down, and the clutch forks, not the clutch forks, the shift forks, you can see it's rusted. So that needs to be addressed before it's put into service. To tow it, we had to take this U-joint apart, and they never did get it all the way apart. So but that piece of drive shaft's coming out. I just like the looks. The big fenders, the raked grill. Waylon Wire would probably like this if you watch his channel. There's REO, flathead 6-cylinder. I bought a 1935 REO distributor off eBay, but I haven't tried it yet. I got a lot of projects. I've been busy. But if you're interested in restoration, there's all kinds of work to be done at old Pueblo Trolley. The body's just sitting on there to tow it. It took us 8 hours to tow it over here, about 3 miles. Kept having problems, but we got it towed. I just like the looks of this bus. Like I said, I almost had the motor running. You can see a little bit. It's a short bus, but I like it. Okay, that should do it. Oliver's here helping me today. Take a video of the 1935 REO. Thank you.